starting off with earn by time today. Current rate's going to be $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a McDonald's going 3.5 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
Have a good morning.
You too, thank you. Total for that order was $6. This next order is not a good order, but I've been sitting around for like 20 minutes, so I just took anything that was over $1 a mile. This is a Starbucks going across the river, $10 going 7.5 miles. Okay, luckily I got an order as I was dropping that one off. This is taking me back into my zone. This is a McDonald's, $13 going 6 miles. Yeah. Next order up is a Starbucks. This one is $7 going 4.5 miles. Ooh, they just gave me an add-on, well, from a different app. So hopefully they're going in the same direction. This is Starbucks, $8 going 2 miles.
Alrighty, there you go.
Thank you. I wish I had known where the first one was going, because that one was sitting there waiting for me. If I knew it was going this close, I probably would have just taken it and delivered it. Came back to Starbucks for the second one, because it was a little bit of a wait. Next order up is a Chick-fil-A. This is going 5 miles. What's your card? That's nice. Oh, that is nice. No tip on that one. Total was $6. Next up is a stacked Black Raw coffee going 3 miles. Thank you. I think these two orders are going to the same place. Well, I think they're going to the same clinic, maybe different offices. Hello. Well, that was convenient. Those offices were right next to each other. And total for those two was $15. Unfortunately, I kind of have to take this one because I cannot unassign any more orders without risk of deactivation. And I'm almost positive this one is going to be a no tip. This is a Starbucks going 7 miles. Yeah, I was right. No tip on that one. Total for that was $6. This is a different Starbucks. This is $9 going 5 miles. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is Starbucks, $9 going 1 mile. just left that drop off and they're giving me an add-on. This is $9 going an extra 2 miles.
All three of these are for Natalia.
Okay.
And then this one's for Tony.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Friend Natalia?
Oh, right there. Starbucks. Oh, we're so happy to see you.
Perfect. There you are.
Have a good day.
You too. Got this next one right away. It is food, cafe, and catering. This is going 6.5 miles. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yet another no tip. Very nice. Total for that was $7. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 9:29. Current total is 86 and still waiting on a couple Uber tips. I don't think it's gonna go past 100 today. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.